Guys, welcome back to the channel. And I'm very excited to today be talking about the Soundcore P20i Earbuds. But also something more exciting. As you can see, I'm wearing this singlet at the moment. So I just came back from a holiday from Boracay in the Philippines. I'm in the Philippines for the next 3 months, doing my reviews here. So guys, make sure you reach out to me if you're in the Philippines, and also check out our giveaways both for Philippines and also locally. But very excited, great place, the Philippines, and so happy to be here. But today, going back to the Soundcore P20i, what I'll do today is do one of my channels where I actually open up the earbuds and do them while I'm with you guys. So it's going to be a live demonstration of these earbuds to kind of talk about the features, the functions, what we think about it, how good the earbuds are, test them out so you guys can see if you want to use them yourselves. Now again, if you want to purchase these, there's links in the description below. And also subscribe, click notification button to get all our latest giveaways and updates. Anyway, let's start with the Soundcore P20i earbuds just now. So start with, there's the kind of standard Soundcore packaging that we're using. As you can see just there, the blue and white packaging, and a bit more about the earbuds on the back there. Now it's got things like 2 ENC noise cancelling microphones. You've got your IPX5, your customized sound, 10mm drivers, which are quite good, and 10 hours of battery life in the earbuds and another 20 in the case. So pretty good earbuds in there, not bad. Let's go take a look and see what comes in it. So you've got the standard, so you've got like the instruction booklet, you've got the lanyard, which is cool, and a USB-C charging cable, and also other ear tips as well, which other ear tips which are important to have. Now if we go and have a look at the actual earbuds themselves, so let's go and take out the case. So there's a case just there. So again, there's a Soundcore logo. You've got the lanyard on the back there as well, looks quite nice. Take a look, and there are the earbuds there. So they're the stick design earbuds, as you can see. Now these are the ones that have the microphone in the stem just there. We go and it's USB-C charging cable on here as well. I think these are USB-C charging cable just there. I believe these are Bluetooth 5.3 with these ones. Let's put them on and have a look how they sound. So put them on the ears. I can hear the dong, 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 which means it's connecting. Let's go and get out the phone and play some music. So I'm going to put the Bluetooth on. Again, it's pretty straightforward how to pair these. We go to the Bluetooth. Just be one moment. You think I'd be able to find the Bluetooth a bit quicker, wouldn't you? And search for it in the Bluetooth, just here. So Soundcore P20i. Turn it on. And again, connects very, very quickly as well. So there we go. Now you can adjust the sound and settings through pressing the earbud if you want to, or you can use the phone. So I'm going to start by playing some music. So let's play a bit of Adele, Someone Like You. Now I know you guys can't hear this, but I'm going to give you a talk through about how it sounds. See, it just sounded like it was coming through the phone because it sounded so nice. Now, the music sounds so nice. There's no background noise. I can hear the piano coming through, and now her voice is coming in. It's clear, solid, and uplifting. So Adele sounds really, really nice. Let's try Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. Again, let's go to where the beat starts. Yeah. So it's good differentiation of music. So you can hear the beats coming through. The treble's really good. You can hear the different sound stages coming through as well. So again, sounds good. Now, if we press the controls as well, I can start the music again, stop the music too. Sounds very, very good. So sounds great, good bass, good sounds well. And see, they're not moving much on my head, look. It's not moving much when I'm using them at all, which is really, really strong. So these would be good if you're walking around, exercising, going out and about, good to listen to. And I think also the IPX5 is very, very important. I did actually use them on a call earlier as well, which worked very well. They could hear me fine. Again, you're not getting up there with like the top earbuds in the market, but for what you're getting, they work quite well. And yeah, I think you can also use a Soundcore app as well if you want to tailor the sound or the music. So Soundcore app's pretty good. You go in there, you change the music settings, and it helps you adjust it to different sounds. So yeah, the Soundcore P20i, I like it. There are the earbuds just there. There are the earbuds just there. Very light, they don't move at all. Very, very good. You can see the mics just in there too. And you've got the case. So the Soundcore P20i earbuds, really, really nice. We've also done unboxing of them as well, if you want to check it out. But these are a good pair of earbuds and going to be part of my workout program for a while to come. If you want to purchase these, check out the links in the description below, and also like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification button. Anyway, thanks for joining us here at the channel.